Kaiser. I'm one of the assistant superintendents in Albemarle County Public Schools, and we are delighted that you are interested in coming and working with us. We are very proud of the work that we do here in Albemarle County. We work to meet the needs of our students, one student at a time. We build very strong relationships with them and provide rigorous opportunities for them to be the best learners that they can be. Through the work that we do collaboratively in our professional learning communities and through our professional development, such as our work with instructional coaches and learning technology integrators through our culturally responsive teaching program, we work hard to make sure that our teachers are provided the resources that are necessary to meet the needs for them to be successful with the students that they have. We are a fun school division to work for, we are a hard-working school division, and we are delighted that you want to be a part of our work.
The Charlottesville and specifically greater Albemarle community is an amazing place for learning and growing. There are so many opportunities because of all of the resources that we have here.
I feel like I've had so many opportunities to grow professionally. The town is so connected. I feel like I can't walk anywhere in Charlottesville without someone asking how my students are doing or what it's like to be here at Woodbrook or what kinds of professional development we're working on right now.
Albemarle County really pushes this notion of like lifelong learning, and in my classroom I kind of embody it through a phrase called grit. And that's the idea of through resilience and perseverance we'll be able to grow as individuals, not only in the academics, but all of the other soft skills that we develop in the classroom.
All means all, and they really do mean that, like all means all, and so I have carried that with me throughout these last 3 years, and it's helped my team grow, it's helped me hold myself accountable to those kids.
There's a lot of support in place for new people, whether you are a teacher that's been teaching for 10 years or you're brand new to teaching. There's supports at the school level, there's also supports at the division level.
You know, when I think about what it means to be a novice teacher, those first 3 years of teaching are incredibly challenging. And so one of the aspects of the coaching model is to work with novice teachers, so really providing them the support and in their classroom in those first 3 years.
There's a lot of room to breathe in terms of finding your own way to develop a teaching style that's uniquely your own, but then also give you room to develop yourself with innovative professional development opportunities.
As I've gone through the years, I've loved the opportunity to expand and try different things in the classroom. I feel like I've had a lot of autonomy to take some risks, both by myself, but also when I have ideas with other teachers collaboratively.
I think at the center of good teaching is collaboration. And the space lends itself to collaborating not only with my co-teacher, but with other teachers. It lends itself to giving kids more space to roam around and to play and to explore. And I think it's led to our students feeling like they own this space and like it's their home, like it's their home away from home. And I think because of that, this space has made education a place that feels genuine and innovative and engaging.
People talk about project-based learning, problem-based learning, and here we talk about passion-based learning. We want education to be driven by the passions of individual kids. We want them to experience authentic and relevant learning experiences based on their passions, because those passions end up fueling their careers, their choices in life.
We are regularly reaching out to members of our community, and our students are engaging with them, and there's a real interest in both directions for the community to embrace our students and our learning, and vice versa, which really adds to the authentic learning experiences that we're able to provide to our students.
Some school districts are driven by data that is solely based on the test, and I think here at Albemarle County, we base our data and we base our decisions on reaching kids and what drives success in kids.
The biggest thing that I've gotten to learn through professional development, through culturally responsive teaching certification, through partnership with coaches and my principal and other teachers is that data is not the final definition for what a kid is capable of. And I think the biggest thing that's been integral to changing my practice and getting to develop that is seeing kids set goals for themselves and seeing kids celebrate their successes and decide what that looks like.
I love the blend of opportunities. I think there's cultural, historical, also recreational opportunities in this area with kind of the pace of life. Like it's been the perfect balance for me.
Our teachers work hard, and we are very proud of the work that they do and the accomplishments that they have. Our students are successful because of our teachers, and we would love for you to be one of them.